Everyone thinks American students speak perfect English, but that is not true. Not at all. From the outside, it looks easy. Movies, schools, native speakers everywhere. So people believe there are no mistakes. But behind classrooms, presentations, and daily conversations, there is fear. There is confusion. There are mistakes that keep repeating. And today, you will hear a story that surprises you. Because these are not small mistakes. These are common English mistakes American students make. Mistakes that affect confidence. Mistakes that change grades. Mistakes that silently hold people back. And this is where everything begins. It starts in school. A student raises their hand, heart beating fast. The answer is clear in their mind, but the words come out wrong. The class laughs. The teacher corrects gently, but inside something breaks. That student starts thinking, why did I say that? I should know better. I speak English. This is my language. But the truth is, knowing a language does not mean mastering it. This happens again and again. Students mix up simple words. They say, I did a mistake instead of I made a mistake. They say more better instead of better. They say he don't instead of he doesn't. Small errors, but big impact. At first they ignore it. It's fine, they say. People understand me. But deep inside, doubt grows. Then comes pressure. Presentations, college interviews, public speaking, group discussions. The fear becomes real. What if I sound uneducated? What if they judge me? What if I fail because of my English? This is the struggle no one talks about. Even American students feel shy. Even American students feel stuck. Even American students feel scared to speak. And the worst part? They think they are alone. But they're not. This problem grows in silence. Teachers focus on grades, not habits. Friends don't correct mistakes. Social media makes everything look perfect. So the mistakes stay. Year after year. Word after word. Until one moment changes everything. For one student, it happened during a job interview. The questions were easy. The skills were strong. But the English, it was messy. Wrong tense. Wrong sentence flow. Unclear answers. The interviewer smiled politely. But the result was clear. No call back. That night was heavy. Quiet. Painful. And this is where everything changed. Instead of blaming luck, instead of blaming the interviewer, the student asked one simple question. Why am I still making these mistakes? That question opened the door. They started listening carefully to their own words, to their own sentences. They noticed patterns, the same mistakes, again and again, not because they were bad at English, but because they never fixed the basics. They realized something powerful. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is clarity. Speaking fast with mistakes is not confidence. Speaking clearly with correct English is power. So they slowed down. They started correcting one habit at a time. Simple changes. Simple awareness. They learned that less and fewer are not the same. That past tense matters. That small words change big meanings. And something incredible happened. Confidence returned. Speaking became calm, natural, strong. People listened more. Teachers respected more. Opportunities increased. And here's the truth most people don't tell you. Mistakes do not mean you are weak. Mistakes mean you are unaware. And awareness changes everything. This is not just about American students. This is about you. Every time you speak English, you are telling the world who you are. Your words shape how people see you, how they trust you, how they remember you. But what happens next depends on one choice. Ignore mistakes or fix them, because once you fix them, everything shifts. Your voice sounds stronger. Your thoughts sound smarter. Your presence feels confident. And the best part? You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Say it again. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. This lesson applies to everyone. Students, professionals, beginners, native speakers, non-native speakers. English is not about showing off. It is about connecting. And connection begins with understanding your mistakes and choosing to improve. So next time you speak, pause for a second, listen to your words, and ask yourself, am I repeating the same mistake? Or am I growing? Because growth starts the moment you become aware. And if this story felt real to you, if it reminded you of your own journey, then you're not alone. Keep learning. Keep listening. Keep improving. Like the video if it helped you. Subscribe for more real English stories and lessons. And watch the next video, because your English journey is just getting started.